This is a quick little tutorial on how to put in your subscription for Scholastic magazines. As you can see, I'm up here. I'm at the digital.scholastic.com/teacher. You want to make sure that you log in using the Google sign-in button. And I am on my dashboard here. You can see that I've already put in the 3 different types of magazines that we have. In order to add a magazine subscription, you want to click on the plus sign, add new program, and then you'll enter the access code as well. You'll then activate it, and it will ask you what school that you're a part of as well too. Um, a quick note on the dashboard up here at the top right, you'll see that we have a classes tab, and this allows you to import your classes, your rosters for your classes to your students, so that you don't necessarily need to give them the passcode to join. In order to add a class, you'll go to plus, import new class here, and it will automatically search your Google Classroom classes, and you'll select the course from Google Classroom, click next. What you'll need to do then is you're going to need to assign a grade. So you select the class, go to assign grade, and you need to double click on the number. Don't just click once because the apply button won't happen. Once you've selected the grade, you'll be able to apply the class rosters, and then they'll be imported in your classes as well. If you click on this button here, it will then show you your students that you have through. And if you have students who have been added, let's say a week later they move in, you can always hit the sync button that's located here in the top right corner. Next up, we're going to take a look at how to share out a Scholastic article to your students. Once inside Junior Scholastic, I'm going to scroll down, go to the September issue, and you'll notice that on this article, Election Day Countdown, there's this share button here. If you click on this, you can copy the link for open mode or locked mode. You can share it to your Google Classroom, which will probably be the most common way to share. I'm going to select open mode. It might take a couple seconds for the classes to load up. Once you click on the drop down, you'll be able to select which Google classes you want the article to be assigned to. You can choose your action. It can be an assignment, it can be material, and then click go. You can put in your detailed information if you want, what topic, and then hit post, and it'll automatically be sent to your Google Classroom.